everyone. So today's video, what we're doing is we are removing trees here. We started with this one, and the reason we're taking them is that the roots are starting to come out of the ground in this area and running toward the house now. So it's time that they go. We're eventually going to be taking those two down as well because of the same thing. And so this is the only solution. So Rob is working on it, cutting them back, and then we're going to be hauling them out, and then we'll have them haul them to the front, and then we'll have them hauled away by an organization that does it. So the tree is down. We've had a company come in to actually cut the tree down, and now Rob's cleaning up the rest, and then it's ready to go. Here are the two others. You can see here the mess that's starting to happen. You can see the roots are running along there, coming up. Also, when you look at it here, you can see them coming up through the ground here and then running through there and over. Same with right there. So we definitely have to deal with it. You know, it's a chance to redesign and improve the yard, maybe allow a little more sun in, because these are gray areas. Very gray areas, dark areas, a lot of shade. They've done their purpose. They protected the house and they gave us some shelter when everything else was growing up around us. So now it's time to say goodbye to them. So I'm gonna set up a tripod and give Rob a hand hauling these, and you can see what we're doing. That is the easiest way to haul it to the front without using a vehicle. And sadly, our van is full of stuff, so we aren't able to haul it that way. So Rob has come up with a solution of using a tarp, and that allows us to haul it a little bit easier. You just can't overload the tarp, but you can see what we have left. There's some big logs here that have to be dealt with. Rob's been cutting all the knobs off on them, and you can see we still have quite a bit to clean up, and it's now evening, so time is going by. But you know, this is a big project. So you know, I mean, the easiest way is to pay somebody to do it all, grind the stump and handle it. We try to keep our costs down, so we do a lot of the labor ourselves. I did have somebody come, like I mentioned earlier, and cut the tree down, but I will have somebody come in and grind the stump here. You can see some pretty big logs. It's a good sized tree. The other one that we're going to be taking down is going to be even bigger, but that's probably not going to happen right away because we have so much to do. And quite honestly, we're not in our 20s anymore, so it's a lot of work to do this. Rob's having to do a lot of it because of my back and stuff. I can't go crazy. I do help some though, but anyhow, you can kind of see what we're doing here. And this is the latest video that you're gonna see because we have to get these projects done and things cleaned up, and that's just the way it goes. So I hope you don't mind this video. It's not planting or anything like that, but it's a job that has to be done. It's still gardening and landscape maintenance. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully we'll be doing some planting. First, we got to get this all cleaned up and deal with it. Bye, everybody.